Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Do have heated mirrors in this vehicle as well. Coming on to the back, you can see our Toyota Highlander XLE badging, and we have a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats next. Rear climate control. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And let's look at our driver's side. Driver door controls. Driver seat controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 130,796, and we have a push button ignition. Here's our Toyota touchscreen display. Radio. Navigation, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls and shifter. Now, if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.